In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Excel. This is a handy skill when you want to work seamlessly across platforms and make the most of their combined features. So, let's dive right in and get started. First of all, open the Google Sheet that you want to connect to Excel. You'll want to ensure that you have the right Google Sheet that contains the data you're interested in. Once you have it open, head to the File menu at the top of your screen. From there, hover over Share and then select Publish to Web. This step is crucial because it allows the data to be accessed from Excel by creating a public link. So keep in mind any privacy concerns before proceeding. Next, when you're presented with the publishing options, choose the specific sheet you want to share. If your Google Sheets document contains multiple sheets, but you only want to connect one of them, make sure to select that particular sheet. This makes the connection more efficient and ensures that your Excel data will only reflect the relevant content. After selecting the appropriate sheet, it's time to decide on the format. Usually, you can opt for your data to be shared in formats like CSV or a web page. Choosing the right format can affect how easily Excel can parse the data, so consider what fits your needs best. Once you've selected the format, go ahead and click the Publish button. This will generate a unique URL for your sheet. Be sure to copy this URL as it's the key link you'll need to bring your Google Sheet data over to Excel. Now, let's switch gears to Excel. Open up your workbook in Excel where you want the data to show up. Navigate to the Data tab on the ribbon. This tab is where you'll find all the options to bring external data into your Excel spreadsheets. From there, you'll want to select Get Data, then From Other Sources, and finally choose From Web. A dialog box will pop up on your screen. In the web address field of this box, paste the URL you copied earlier. This URL is the link Excel will use to fetch all the data from your Google Sheet. After pasting the URL, click OK. At this point, Excel will begin to load your data into what's known as the Power Query Editor. This step may take a moment as Excel processes the URL and retrieves the data. Once it's done, you'll have all your Google Sheet data right there in Excel, ready for you to manipulate, analyze, and work with as needed. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your Google Sheets to Excel. With this setup in place, keeping your data synchronized between Google and Excel can be efficient and seamless. Thanks for watching, and happy data crunching.